Customized home screen. To view the home screen, press Home on the remote touchpad. It'll show a variety of frames that can be customized. Highlighting and selecting a frame acts as a shortcut to that features menu. To change the layout of the home screen, press Menu, Setup, and then Customize Home Screen. From here, you can highlight and select a feature you'd like to set in the home screen. This will act as a shortcut to that feature's menu. For example, select Scout. Now select the frame you'd like the information to appear in. A preview of the layout will be displayed below. You can also change the layout. Select Change Layout. Choose the desired layout. Again, a preview of the home screen will be displayed below. The Home button will return you to the home screen, so you can view your new layout. For more information, you can check out the other helpful Lexus how-to videos, or go to lexusdrivers.com and select Videos under the Resource tab, then search for a topic. If your vehicle is equipped with navigation, reference your technology quick guide that came with your vehicle. We're here to help. Contact your Lexus dealer to speak with a Lexus technology specialist, or contact Lexus Customer Satisfaction at 800-255-3987.